All right, this video here is just as the definition, pure insanity. Uh, I'll explain more at the end, but please enjoy and thank you for your time.
Here you go.
All right. Well, it was the definition of insanity. It's when you do the same thing over and over and over again and expect different results. I do it every year. I've talked the past couple of weeks about the past couple of videos anyway. It's getting close to the water temp being too low to do very good surf fishing. I mean, you might catch one every now and then, but it's going to be few and far between. I mean, you pretty much got to hit them in the head, I think. Just piss them off and make them bite your hook. But, yeah, I wasted the day. It was 55 degrees exactly as far as the water temp. And I was like, I'm going to give it one more try. I should have just got on the boat and did that. I would have at least caught some fish. But I greatly appreciate y'all taking the time and all. And like I've told you all along, I'm keeping this real. I mean, it's fishing, not catching. And that's the reason this video, there's no catching, just fishing. I mean, I enjoyed the day. It turned out to be a beautiful day. And there again, it's the holiday seasons. Thanksgiving's came and gone. Christmas is very close to us. And I hope you and your family and friends all had a good Thanksgiving. And I hope you have a great Christmas. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Don't forget that. Do not forget that. Anyway, God bless. Stay safe. And fish on.